party, ballerina bowling alley.
Dear Diary, wow, it's all I can say. What a way to spend my 11th birthday. I thought inviting the bully, Jeff, would make us be able to, get along, but of course not. Everyone knows I'm not that good at bowling, because I'm quite a small person. And since my ball went in the gutter 4 times, I turned into an even bigger laughing stock than usual. And just because Jim was laughing, everyone else did. Even my best friend Paul, just because Jim was. After we went bowling, we went to the chicken parlour, and all my so-called friends called me Chicken Face, because I'd got some of the graze over my face while eating. Well, that's all to report now. But tomorrow will be the next episode of my life humiliation. Thanks, Diary. Later.
Dear Diary, I had the best day ever. Leo couldn't even throw a bowling ball, or even lift it. Me and a few others were all laughing and counting names. I feel so cool. I can't wait to see his face in school and see if he even talks to anyone. Hopefully he becomes jealous and tries to get into the gang, even though I will humiliate him even more.